compound adjectives make academic writing more concise and accurate, as a lot of information is condensed into a few words. What is a compound adjective? A compound adjective is formed when two or more adjectives are joined together. Normally, a hyphen is used to link the words together to show that it is just one adjective. For example, long distance, out of date. The hyphen creates a word group that makes it easier for the reader to read and process its meaning. A compound adjective provides more information about a noun. For example, 5-minute talk, sugar-coated tablet. The compound adjective, 5-minute, gives more information about the noun, talk. It is a talk that is 5 minutes long. The compound adjective, sugar-coated, gives more information about the noun, tablet. It is a tablet that is coated with sugar. A compound adjective is commonly used in academic writing to replace a relative clause. For example, he is giving a talk which is 2 hours long. Which is 2 hours long is a relative clause. It can be replaced by the compound adjective, 2 hour. The two words 2 and hour are joined with a hyphen to make it into one word, which has the same meaning, but more concise. He is giving a 2-hour talk. A common mistake that people make is to add an s to the number for plural. When is a hyphen used? A hyphen is used when the compound adjective is before the noun it modifies. To modify a noun means to make minor changes to it. Let's look at an example. He has a job. Let's add a compound adjective before the noun. He has a part-time job. Now we have some information about the noun. When the compound adjective comes after the noun it modifies, a hyphen is not used. For example, his job is part-time. Here is another example. He gave a thought-provoking speech. His speech was thought-provoking. No hyphen is used when it is after a noun. If the speech is thought-provoking, it challenges a person to think of new ideas, or changes a person's attitude to something. Now let's look at how compound adjectives are formed. Here is a summary table of some of the common types of compound adjectives. We shall look at each of them in more detail. But before that, here is a quick review of the present and past participles. To form the compound adjective of well-lit, we combine an adverb, well, with the past participle of light, which is lit. To form the compound adjective of ready-made, we combine an adjective, ready, with the past participle of make, which is made. To form the compound adjective of record-breaking, we combine the noun, record, with the present participle of break, which is breaking. Now let us look at some common ways of forming compound adjectives. Compound adjective with number. For example, she has a son who is 2 years old. She has a 2-year-old son. There was a delay of 10 seconds. There was a 10-second delay. Here is a reminder that we do not add an s to the number for plural. Adverb plus past participle. For example, a company that has been successful for a long time in its business often has a product that is quite well known. A company with a well-established business often has a well-known product. Like many English words, one word can have many meanings. As an adverb in this example, well means fully or widely. Next, a compound adjective can be formed by combining an adverb with an adjective. We do not put a hyphen between an adverb and an adjective. For example, consumers are encouraged to use products that do not damage the environment. Consumers are encouraged to use environmentally friendly products. Notice that the compound adjective, environmentally friendly, does not have a hyphen in between the two words. Environmentally is an adverb. Most adverbs end with an ly. Friendly is an adjective. In this example, Friendly means not harmful. Adjective plus noun. For example, jobs which last for a short period of time are ideal for people on a gap year. Short-term jobs are ideal for people on a gap year. Short is an adjective. It has the opposite meaning of long. Term is a noun, which means a period of time. Adjective plus past participle. For example, a huge range of curtains, which have been made in advance, is available online. A huge range of ready-made curtains is available online. Ready is an adjective, and in this example, it means completely prepared and fit for immediate use. Made is the past participle of the verb make. Adjective plus present participle. For example, this company employs wood carvers who are willing to work hard. Who are willing to work hard is a relative clause. This company employs hard-working wood carvers. Hard is an adjective. And in this example, hard means having or showing great effort. Working is a present participle of the verb work. Noun plus adjective. For example, it is a country which has extensive deposits of mineral ores. It is a mineral-rich country. Mineral is a noun. Gold and diamond are minerals. In fact, diamond is the hardest mineral. Rich is an adjective. If a country is rich in mineral, it means it has a lot of minerals. In short, it is a mineral-rich country. Noun plus present participle. She had prepared a dish that made my mouth water. She had prepared a mouth-watering dish. The noun is mouth, and the present participle is watering. The compound adjective, mouth-watering, comes before the noun dish. Therefore, a hyphen is used. Noun plus past participle. For example, some countries have trains which are powered by winds. Which are powered by winds is a relative clause. Some countries have wind-powered trains.